At Data.ai, we help you identify missed opportunities and maximize revenue. As a publisher for a new health and fitness app, you are not achieving revenue targets because you are struggling to understand optimal subscription and pricing options. With the in-app revenue module, understand consumer preferences by SKU, price, and quantity. For example, FitCoach's one-week subscription tier is its largest source of revenue in the UK. However, in the US, the majority of revenue comes from the premium subscription tier. Data.ai's IAP module reveals different consumer preferences unique to each market. Apply these critical insights to identify missed opportunities and maximize revenue.